The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new smartphone under K40 lineup in China called Redmi K40s with a stylish rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi K40s features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD plus Samsung E4 AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate support. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the top and it is HDR10+ certified. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6, 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Redmi K40s supports a triple camera setup in a circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX582 sensor plus 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 20MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 67W fast charging and it runs on Android 12 with MIUI 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication and it has Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience, and it also includes 3-dimensional VC liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.2 by 75.95 by 7.7mm and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi K40s has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1799 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1999 Chinese yuan, and the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2199 Chinese yuan, and there is higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage variant is priced at 2399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in fantasy blue, black, grey and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi K40s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSolberg YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.